everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel if you're a returning subscriber, and welcome if you're new here. My name's Agneta. Welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video I'm going to be doing a Pretty Little Thing haul because I recently bought a few cute items from Pretty Little Thing and I thought, why not come back on my YouTube channel and show my YouTube family, because you guys are basically my BFFs right now. And I'm really enjoying creating content for you guys. You know, this has been kind of consistent recently. I'm here for all this consistency. I've literally been consistent for like 4 weeks, but you know, the little wins are what you should pat yourself on the back for. You know what I mean? You know. So guys, I know what you're thinking. Why is this pink hair still here and on your head? Guys, I'm about to buy a new wig this week, okay? So the red hair is, or the pink hair is not going to be here for much longer. Before any of you come for me for looking like a rag doll, okay? It's going, alright? Alright. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Pretty Little Thing haul. It's not going to take too much of your time, so it's going to be cute, short, snappy, but I'm here for all of that. So for the first item that I bought from Pretty Little Thing, I bought this top that I'm currently wearing right now. I really love this top, especially because of the detailing right here. It's giving me 90s chick R&B vibe with the circle metal detailing and also with the cold shoulder. So it's a bodysuit asymmetric vibe happening here, and it's called the Black Slinky O-Ring One Shoulder Bodysuit, and I bought it in a size 8 and I purchased it for £13, which I think this is such a cute top for £13. What do you guys think? Is it cute or is it cute? I'm in love with it, especially you can dress it up and dress it down if you're going out for drinks. Not that we're going to be going out for drinks anytime soon, but it's still nice to look cute if you want to get dressed up at home. And it's just a nice piece to have, and for £13 I thought it was a cute buy to buy. So the next top that I purchased is quite similar to this one. It's also a black bodysuit and it's called the Black Asymmetric Jersey Thong Bodysuit, and I bought it in a size 6. And that was £11. I really loved the way this bodysuit, you can wear it on an everyday basis and you can also dress it up as well. It's a little bit different from this one because the second bodysuit that I purchased, it's both sleeves. However, it's just got that asymmetric detailing around the neck section, which I really liked, and I just thought it was a nice simple everyday piece and also looks very classy and put together. The next bodysuit that I purchased, I don't know why I've got this sudden love for bodysuits. I think bodysuits and jumpsuits are my current favorite things recently. The next one which I purchased was the brown slinky abstract print high neck cut out bodysuit, and I purchased it for £14. This is the bodysuit that I wore on my sister's birthday. I thought it was such a beautiful bodysuit. I really loved the cut out detailing around the waist section. It brought a little bit of Shazam to the outfit, and I loved the color palette of this top, the browns, whites and the black detailing. I was absolutely in love with this particular bodysuit. I partnered this bodysuit up with my brown pants, which I bought from Boohoo, and this outfit looks really nice together, especially because browns and chocolates have been my favorite color throughout this winter period. The next few items that I purchased from PLT were actually pajamas, because sis does not have any cute pajamas in her wardrobe. So I just thought, you know what, you need to buy some really nice cute pajamas which make you feel good when you go to sleep, so you know I can look cute when I'm asleep. So I bought 3 satin pajamas because I really love satin pajamas. I know this is a controversial topic because I know a lot of people dislike satin pajamas because they think that they're really uncomfortable, but for me, I'm a big advocate for satin. It looks classy, it looks bougie, and I find them quite comfortable to wear. So the first one which I purchased were the baby pink long striped satin pajama set, and I bought them in a size small. They were £18 for the set. I loved these pajamas. They reminded me of the Victoria's Secret pajamas. Guys, if you know me, Victoria's Secret was my first job, and I'm a big advocate of Victoria's Secret. My sister low-key hates on me because I'm a ride or die Victoria's Secret babe, so I loved these replica Victoria's Secret pajamas because, you know, Victoria's Secret ones, I think they're a good £60, so why not buy them on PLT for £18, and they low-key look the same anyway. So that's why I purchased them ones. They're nice, long-sleeved, comfortable, and they look cute and put together. For the sixth item that I purchased on PLT, I purchased the pastel stripe satin long sleeve shirt ruffle short pajama set in a size 8, and I purchased them for £16. I loved this pajama set. I thought it was so unique, especially like the rainbow detailing and the ruffle shorts. I loved them. They were just my vibe. I feel like if I could describe myself in a pajama, they would be me as a pajama set, like vibrant, cute. Seventh item that I purchased on PLT, I purchased the Pretty Little Thing pink short satin pocket pajama set in size 8, color pink, and they were £16. They were also a really nice pink pajama set, which I really loved. I feel like a lot of the pajamas from PLT, they look very high quality, yet they're at a very affordable price. Also, all the recent items that I recently purchased off PLT, and I just thought, why not just come show you guys a few bits that I purchased. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you've got up to this section, if you enjoyed this video, please, like, girl, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.